Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Web. Friends, today we are going to learn how to prevent duplicate record based on phone number using Apex class trigger. So this is my tutorial w3web.net. Here we can get the code. So we need follow steps that is provided by the w3web.net. As per the steps 1, we need to create Apex class file name. So first we need to create Apex class file name. This is I already created in my org. You need to create a file name as mentioned in the step 1. After that you need to get the copy from here and paste in the file. After copy and paste, we need to save the file. After we need to save the file, then test on account object. This is the account and we need to test same things. Requirement is whenever phone number already exists, then user not allowed to create new record as same phone number. Suppose that I am copying this phone number. I am trying to create a new record with same phone number. Pasting same phone number, that is copy here. Then save. As you can see, do not allow insert duplicate phone number. So we can achieve through this Apex class. So I will give you description. I will give you URL in the description in this video. Thank you so much.